How to make money with the JvZoo affiliate program. What exactly is JvZoo all about? How does it work? And most importantly, how do you go about using JvZoo as a place where you can make money online? Hi there, this is Rupesh and I'd like to welcome you to this channel. And today I'm going to talk to you all about the JvZoo marketplace, how it works, and how it can help you to get started with starting your very own online business. Right. Before I get started, thank you very much for stopping by at this channel. If you would like to learn on how you can start your very own profitable online business, then feel free to check out my video training course. All you have to do is just click on the link below this video, and it's a 4-day video course that will take you through the fundamentals of starting your very own online business. And having said that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so we can meet up in my next video. So let's check out the JvZoo affiliate program. Okay, so here we are at the official JvZoo website. It's jvzoo.com, and about features, your purchases, login, and you can join for free. JvZoo is always free to join, and as an affiliate or as a vendor, you can sell unlimited products from a single account, and we have all the features that allow you to quickly grow your business and succeed online. Now start selling more today. Now this is if you are a vendor and if you want to sell products, and JvZoo is more a marketplace that allows you to sell digital products. So it's a competitor, or it's very similar to Clickbank and Warrior Plus, and you also another one which I reviewed recently called Digistore 24. So feel free to check out that video. And as an affiliate, you can promote products on JvZoo, and you can earn a commission for promoting these products. So it's 100% free for affiliates. Join today and gain access to their marketplace where you can quickly find the perfect product to promote to your audience today. And as an affiliate for the JvZoo marketplace, you have the following benefits. You get instant commissions. You can promote products via your blog, email list, website. Commissions are paid directly into your JvZoo account. You can quickly find the best products, instant sale notification. They provide you with one affiliate link, vendor cookies, and 2-tier affiliate commissions. And no matter if you're an affiliate, vendor, or both, we give you all information and the help that you need to succeed while automating the most tedious task. And I want to show you what the members area looks like once I've signed in, so you can have an idea of how product commissions actually work. Okay, so here we are in the members area of JvZoo. This is my account, and I just want to show you what it looks like. You got various options you can click on. You can go into the affiliate dashboard, the quick stats, approve products, find contests, find products. So I clicked on this one here, find products, and this is what had come up. Then these are all the products that you can promote. As you can see, some of them you would need to request approval for it, and this shows you the commission breakdown of a particular product. And I actually did promote this one here, this Octosuite. And what happens is once you got approved for it, then you can just simply click on yes, and that's when you get the link. And with these links, then you can simply promote them, and whenever somebody purchases a particular product for this Octosuite, I get paid out a 50% commission. And as you can see that this shows you the various breakdown on each products, and you can see from here the amount of units that has been sold per product. You can see the conversion rate of the product. You can see the average price, and then you can see also the average return rate on a particular product. So obviously products that have a very high refund rate will tell you that that's maybe a product that you might want to not consider marketing. But the best part would be to actually have all the information at hand so you can make an informed decision. And I think this is what JvZoo does really well. They give you an entire breakdown of the product, and you can also have funnels to this particular product, and it shows you that each product has various upsells. So that means that when you promote certain products, you won't just get one commission on that particular product. If a product has various upsells, then naturally you would get commissions on those as well. So I want to show you, for instance let's take Zen Titan, and let's see what that funnel looks like. Let's see. Okay, first let's say request approval. And before we request the approval, let's just have a look at what the sales page. Here you can get 100% commission. So as you can see, it's a very cheap product. So you won't make that much of money from it. So this is a particular sales page that your clients will see. And if they're interested in purchasing, then they will go through the sales product and they will read the entire thing on the particular product. And if you decide to purchase, you naturally would earn your commissions. Alright, so now you know what the JvZoo platform is all about, you know how it works, and you know how to go about selecting products from this particular marketplace. But now the big question is, how do you go about making money with JvZoo? As you can imagine, the business model that you're going to be using is affiliate marketing. A business model where you're promoting other people's products, and in turn, for every successful sale that takes place, you're going to be earning a commission. Now, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can choose to promote products not only on JvZoo, but you can use other platforms such as Clickbank, Digistore, Warrior Plus. You can even promote other high-ticket products. The key here is to decide which industry you want to get involved in, and once you know which industry you want to get in, then you need to look for the right products to promote. Now, when I say right products, you won't just promote any product. I mean, you won't just promote a product that you won't buy yourself, right? So that's why you need to do some sort of research into this product. Make sure you do all the research that you can before you go out there and promote this product. And as for promoting the product, it's not as easy as just taking the affiliate link and dropping it in social media and hoping for a commission. Yes, maybe you might make a few sales here and there, but to build a sustainable online business, you're going to have to do a bit more work. And when I say that, the first thing is what you need to do is you need to actually establish a relationship with the person who is going to buy products from you. It's like any business. People would first want to get to know you. They want to know that they can trust you before they spend their hard-earned money in buying anything it is that you are offering to them. And this is why you need certain tools, right? Like an email address, autoresponder, and you need tools like a capture page. And these sort of tools helps you to gain the person's information so that you can build a relationship with them. You also don't want to go about being salesy in your sales process. You know, nobody likes to buy from a sleazy salesperson. So don't employ this tactic in your business as well. And the last thing is, if you want to reach out to anybody in the world with affiliate marketing, you need to use the right traffic sources. So it's all about choosing high quality traffic methods. You know, there's a lot of low quality traffic methods out there that do not get you exposed to the right audience. So that's basically the main fundamentals of building a solid online affiliate marketing business. Once you have those fundamentals in place, it doesn't matter what product you choose, as long as, like I said, it's a product that you feel it's of quality and you've tried it yourself, then there's no limit in the amount of commissions in which you can earn. And having said that, if you would like to learn on how you can get started with building a solid, profitable online business, check out my 4-day video training courses. All you have to do is click on the link below this video and you will learn about the fundamentals that I just talked about on how you can get started with your own online business. Thanks so much for joining me on this video. I hope that it has given you more information, not only about affiliate marketing, but also on how these affiliate marketplaces work and how you can go about making money selling products via the affiliate marketing business model. If you like this video, or if you'd like to have anything to comment, please go ahead and click it below the video. Click the like button below this video. And if you haven't subscribed this video, go ahead and subscribe so that we can chat in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.